Giant African snail continues to be a major problem in Trinidad and Tobago. This pest continues to feed on over 500 species of plants. It feeds on your concrete. It's a trade issue, and it's also a human health issue. Now, the Ministry of Agriculture, Land and Fisheries continues to sensitize the population on different strategies to deal with giant African snail. They include using 4% Metaldehyde bait to control giant African snail. How do you use this bait? You broadcast the bait along the borders of your property or your field. This bait also has an attractant in it, which attracts snails to the bait. They feed on it and they die. However, do not apply bait on your plant or between your plants. You continue to apply them along the borders of your field or your property. How often do you apply bait? You apply your bait in heavily infested areas. You apply your bait once per week along the borders of your field or property. In low infestation levels, you apply bait every 2 weeks. Apart from bait, you can also use a salt solution. This is where you make a solution with 1/4 cup of salt to 1 gallon of water. You collect your snails, you put them in that solution, cover the container, and leave it for 24 hours. You can also use 2 cups of bleach in a gallon of water and follow the same measures. After 24 hours, they are dead. If for some reason you have pets or kids around, it is recommended that you use iron phosphate. How you apply the iron phosphate? You also put it along the borders of your property or your field. Once snails are dead, you collect them. You can either burn them in a safe container, a metal drum for example. You can bury them 2 feet deep, or you can bag them and send them in the garbage. Those are the measures recommended by the Ministry of Agriculture to deal with giant African snail. 4% metaldehyde bait, iron phosphate, a salt solution, or a bleach solution.